What? I just hit record.
I gotta turn this music off.
Oh, it'll knock us off YouTube because we had a background music that was illegal.
Okay.
Hello, this is Skim.
Hi,
I'm Scott,
I'm Kim.
and this is
Derek.
He's our guest today on a review of
Carbquik.
Carbquik. Again, this time we're using it for biscuits.
Yes, sausage gravy and biscuits.
Sausage
You didn't
biscuits.
say he's our nephew
Oh,
from Ohio.
Our nephew from Ohio.
Yeah.
And so this is the biscuit with some sausage gravy. Kim, explain what you did.
Pretty much, I just followed the directions, and it was very simple. I added. They said they specified cold butter because it makes it flakier, and you just added a little bit of erythritol instead of sugar to make it keto friendly, and also some baking powder. So it was very easy. But you didn't show the biscuit.
Show the biscuit. Again, this is the biscuit and gravy. I put a little egg on there.
You have to like.
The taste is actually,
Here,
yeah.
open it up and let them see.
The taste is actually really good. Obviously, the texture is a little different than a buttermilk biscuit that you're used to. But when you love sausage biscuits and gravy like I do, this is doable, and it's a really good alternative. I'm gonna try and break this open for you here. Do it slowly, deliciously. This is food porn. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
you kind of get an
that's pretty
idea of the texture of the biscuit itself. So I would definitely give this so far. I just took a few bites, but I would give it an 8 out of 10, and definitely would put it on the do-over scale.
Does it feel dense?
Yeah.
It's more dense.
Yeah, the biscuit feels dense. It crumbles a lot more than a normal biscuit, but I think the actual flavor with the sausage gravy, and you made the sausage gravy with this too, right?
Yeah, it was 4 tablespoons of it with heavy whipping cream.
So again, you're always going to get a little bit of a different texture than normal gravy, but it's still, the flavor is really, really good.
You're
So,
moving over to the right.
I think
All
it's
right.
delicious.
What do you think, Derek? Besides delicious,
I'm
what's the texture?
I'm gonna agree that the texture is different, but I wouldn't say it's any less. I don't know. I mean, I like biscuits and gravy, but I don't know. I would put this up against any other biscuits and gravy I've ever had.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a different texture, but I think as far as flavor goes, it's spot
Okay,
on.
cool.
Spot on, lad.
This is definitely a good then substitute for biscuits, right?
Yeah.
No?
Okay.
So I would definitely give it a thumbs up, put it on the do-over scale, maybe an 8 out of 10, and that's it. Any other thoughts?
Nope. We're just glad Derek's here, though.
Yeah. With that, that's Skim signing off with Derek.
Bye.